Discovering the fastest Xperia yet. The form is minimalist. Craftsmanship details that only Sony can create. The device offers a newly equipped telephoto lens, a true optical zoom between 85 to 125 millimeters. With Videography Pro, you can create and share incredible video contents, offering high-speed performance and autofocus capabilities on all lenses. Shoot in 4K HDR at 120 frames per second and make it in slow motion up to 5 times. Dramatize any moments with the 4K HDR 120 frames per second slow motion. Object tracking can automatically track a moving subject and keep it in sharp focus. Eye autofocus brings videos to life as never before. Free your composition with the seamless zoom between lenses. Videos can be recorded with wider dynamic range without losing resolution. Supremely smooth shake-free video footage with flawless eye. Record clear voice with highly effective wind filtering. You can live stream video directly to video platform services using Videography Pro. Self-shoot in 4K HDR with the new front camera. By attaching the vlog monitor, film yourself in exceptional quality using the main camera. Use Xperia 1 Mark IV as an external monitor feature for your alpha camera. And live stream alpha contents through Xperia. Record movies with similar parameters and color settings to the professionals. Stunning movies in 4K HDR at 120 frames per second on all lenses, including 120 frames per second slow motion. Realize your vision with cinematic color settings. Co-developed with the engineers behind the latest Alpha 1 series cameras. All the sensors have 120 frames per second readout speed. Offering fast autofocus performance on all lenses. Keeping the most challenging moving subjects in precise focus with real-time tracking. Also, real-time eye autofocus lets you take stunning portraits, whether you're photographing people or animals. Capture images with richer colors and greater contrast with 20 frames per second continuous burst in HDR. With the newly equipped telephoto lens, you can choose the best focal length. True optical zoom between 85 to 125 millimeters. Add another layer of creativity to your photography with the bokeh using the telephoto lens. The new front camera captures high-quality images in low-light conditions. A dedicated shutter for enhanced usability. The device is water-resistant and is protected against dust. All gaming features and operability for Xperia 1 Mark IV are developed under collaboration with top pro esports players. Game Enhancer centralizes all the gaming settings to improve the gaming experience for esports players and streamers. Play to win through the 6.5-inch 120Hz refresh rate display. Adjust color and brightness to see clearly with low gamma razor. Exceptional touch speed response and accuracy with 240Hz touch scanning rate. Audio equalizer minimizes unnecessary sounds and focuses on the ones that matter. Improve the microphone sound quality when voice chatting using a headset. Never miss your best gaming moments with RT Record. Xperia goes beyond, bringing live streaming. Streaming through a PC with easier connection. Prevent overheating while playing with heat suppression power control. Record music as if you are in a studio with the new Music Pro.
I like to to take a walk with you in the morning.
By uploading to the cloud, noise will be reduced and reverberation removed. The music will sound as if it was recorded in a studio using a condenser microphone. Be a creator with Music Pro.
I love how we walk side by side and sing along with them.
High fidelity sound quality with 3.5mm audio jack. Full stage stereo speakers have more powerful sound and reduced distortion. Immerse yourself in sound all around you through headphones and built-in speakers. And upmix 2-channel stereo into an immersive sound experience.
I like to take a walk with you.
Experience the full range of sound with dynamics and detail. Take all your music close to high-resolution audio quality with AI. Xperia 1 Mark IV supports a more stable connection with wireless headphones. Delivering immersive entertainment with its cinema expertise. Featuring a 6.5-inch 21:9 wide 4K HDR OLED display. Experience unprecedented color accuracy with Creator Mode. With immersive Dolby Atmos sound tuned in collaboration with Sony Pictures Entertainment. Brightest 4K display. Bravia HDR remaster technology to everything you watch. Incredibly smooth scrolling. Power to keep you going through the day. Wireless charging for maximum convenience. And battery share function. Keep your battery healthy for longer.